Welcome to Top Gears, where performance meets passion. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about middleweight sport bikes of the year, the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR 2026. Designed to blur the line between everyday rideability and track-focused aggression, the ZX-4RR brings a high-revving four-cylinder experience back to the compact Supersport class, and it does so with serious intent. A bold evolution in design. The 2026 Ninja ZX-4RR stays true to Kawasaki's sharp Ninja DNA while refining its aerodynamics and details. The aggressive twin LED headlights, layered fairings, and compact tail section emphasize speed even at a standstill. Subtle aerodynamic tweaks improve airflow around the rider, enhancing stability at higher speeds. Premium paint options and race-inspired graphics reinforce the ZX-4RR's identity as a machine that belongs both on the street and the circuit. Engine that redefines the class. At the heart of the ZX-4RR 2026 is a 399 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, a rare gem in a segment dominated by twins. This engine is built to rev high, delivering exhilarating top-end performance with a thrilling exhaust note. The power delivery is smooth yet explosive, making it equally enjoyable in city riding and full-throttle track sessions. Kawasaki's Ram Air system helps boost performance at speed, ensuring the ZX-4RR feels alive and eager when pushed hard. Transmission and performance feel. The 6-speed gearbox is paired with a quick shifter that allows clutchless upshifts and downshifts, keeping acceleration seamless and aggressive. Throttle response is precise, giving riders excellent control in corners and on straights. Whether accelerating out of a turn or chasing top speed, the ZX-4RR offers a refined yet adrenaline-packed riding experience that few bikes in its class can match. Advanced electronics and rider aids. Kawasaki has equipped the 2026 ZX-4RR with a comprehensive suite of electronics. Multiple riding modes adjust power delivery and traction control to suit different conditions and skill levels. Kawasaki Traction Control provides confidence during hard acceleration, while selectable power modes let riders tailor performance for street or track use. These features make the ZX-4RR approachable for newer riders while remaining rewarding for experienced enthusiasts. Suspension built for precision. The ZX-4RR stands out with its premium suspension setup, featuring fully adjustable components designed for sporty handling. The chassis feels tight and responsive, offering excellent feedback through corners. Whether carving mountain roads or pushing limits on the track, the bike remains stable, predictable, and confidence-inspiring. This balance between comfort and performance is a major highlight of the 2026 model. Braking and control. High-performance dual-front disc brakes with radial-mounted calipers deliver strong, consistent stopping power. The braking feel is progressive, allowing precise modulation under hard braking. ABS comes standard, adding an extra layer of safety without interfering with sporty riding. Combined with lightweight wheels and a well-tuned chassis, the ZX-4RR feels agile and controlled in every riding scenario. Rider comfort and ergonomics. Despite its aggressive appearance, the Ninja ZX-4RR 2026 offers surprisingly manageable ergonomics. The riding position is sporty but not overly extreme, making it suitable for longer rides. The sculpted fuel tank provides good knee grip, while the seat balances comfort and support. A full-color TFT display presents all essential information clearly, including riding modes, gear position, and lap timing features for track-focused riders. Top speed and real-world performance. The ZX-4RR's high-revving nature translates into impressive real-world performance. With a strong top-end rush and excellent stability at speed, it delivers an authentic supersport feel in a compact package. Its top speed places it among the quickest bikes in the small displacement category, making it a standout option for riders who crave excitement without stepping into full leader bike territory. Pricing and value proposition. One of the most appealing aspects of the Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR 2026 is its value for money. Considering the 4-cylinder engine, advanced electronics, premium suspension, and overall build quality, it offers a compelling package at a competitive price point. It's a motorcycle that delivers premium performance without demanding a premium leader bike budget. Final verdict. The Kawasaki Ninja ZX-4RR 2026 is more than just a small displacement sport bike, it's a statement. With its thrilling inline-4 engine, advanced electronics, sharp handling, and aggressive styling, it redefines what riders can expect from the middleweight supersport segment. Whether you're a track day enthusiast or a rider looking for an exciting daily machine, the ZX-4RR delivers performance, technology, and character in one unforgettable package. Stay tuned with Top Gears for more in-depth reviews, launches, and performance insights from the world of motorcycles.